We've been working on the trees a little bit because they haven't had any work for years and years and years. So there's a whole bunch of stuff to clean up. It's amazing when you cut the trees down how much debris there is. So I'm actually going to get a chipper and then we can chip all this up. So there's more branches, here's more wood. So I got this from Titan Attachments. It's the BX42S. So this is some of the wood we chipped up. I've got a kind of a moisture. This is all clay soil, so it gets really sticky and nasty. So I put a lot of the wood that I chipped up here on this part. Some of the wood that's on the trees is from my chipping, and this is actually where that huge pile used to be. And guess what? No pile. Thank God. But I spread a lot of it out here. This is where the chickens are going to be. There's still a little bit left over there by the 900-pound cast iron bathtub. But that's some of the wood that we cut up there. And so the chicken coop right there, over easy chicken coop, is going to go underneath those trees for a little bit of protection. So that'll be later. So for the BX42S that attaches to my Kubota there, 2501, yeah, it's pretty good. The only thing I can say that's happened so far is the shear bolt right there breaks regularly. So I just bought a pack of 10 of them, and whenever we sheared off, so if you start it too fast, if there's a little piece of wood when you start it, just shears that sucker off. So I guess that's better than, ruining your mechanism on your tractor or on the chipper itself. But basically that sucker chipped up a lot of wood, and it takes things up to 4 inches. We found that probably up to 3 is really, especially with oak, which is really hard. Probably don't want to go beyond 3. Otherwise you're going to shear off that bolt. So, but anyway, I would I would highly recommend it. It is well worth it if you've got a little tractor you can put it on the back of. The thing is a beast.